Hey guys, it's Katie. So today I'm going to be doing kind of a writing talk vlog with you guys. It's been a while since I've kind of talked about the book that I'm writing, and I just want to do a kind of update for you guys. I did a vlog probably last year sometime where I just was writing, but a lot has happened in the past few months, and I figured I would go ahead and update you guys on this journey that I am taking you along on. So I finished my draft, which is super exciting. I have been working on rewriting this story for ever. I started it probably about 5 years ago with the initial idea, and it went through some revisions, and then I just decided to rewrite the entire thing because there was a lot of plot holes and just the writing style wasn't representative of the way that I write today. So I figured I would go ahead and just rewrite the whole thing, and I finished that rewrite, which is super exciting. It felt very good to finally write the words "the end." But yeah, I'm really excited the direction that the story is taking. It is a young adult dystopian kind of thing. I don't know, it's a lot of fun. It's kind of more futuristic and more utopian than dystopian, but there is dystopian aspects because everything's super nice, but it's not as nice as it seems, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm having so much fun writing this, and I let it sit for a few weeks, and then I just had to jump right into revisions because I was super excited to do that. The finished manuscript ending ended up being about 87,000 words, so I kind of want to add a bit more because I think when I did the math that was only going to be about 300 some pages in like a 6x9 book. So yeah, but I have been doing some revisions, and I'm 3 chapters away from being done with the first set of revisions, which is super exciting. I've just been making a ton of progress, and I love it. I've been writing pretty much every day, whether it's only a couple words here and there, but I have been getting writing done, so that's fun because the beginning is really fleshed out, and the first chapter is just pristine because I've rewritten it 20 times by now. But the ending definitely needs some work, so that's why it's kind of taking a little while to get through these last 3 chapters, because I'm kind of just rewriting the whole ending, and I realized there were some plot holes and stuff, so I'm trying to work through those. But once I finish this round of revisions, I'm going to actually print the manuscript out, and I'm going to go through a whole color-coded editing process. I found this process online. I'll link it down below if I can find the link, but I think I bookmarked it, so I'll link the link down below. But it had this good method of color coding and how to fix each different part of your manuscript. So I think I'm going to go through and do that because I think that was really helpful. But that's going to be after I finish this set of revisions, and then I'll do that and do another rewrite, and I don't know how many times I'm going to end up rewriting this, but I want to finish it by the end of this year. I had this whole plan last year to finish writing this and start the publishing journey, and it just didn't happen because I just didn't write. But it's March, we're almost done with this revision, and I want to try to get these revisions done by the end of the year. And then start looking into publishing because that's what I want to do, so I might as well do it. But I'm also kind of I just want to finish this project so I can start other projects, because I do have other stories in the works. There's at least 3 that I started writing, and then there's one that I'm in the middle of writing the first draft of, but this one is just, I've been working on this one for so long, I just want to finish it and perfect it and just get it out there into the world. But yeah, it's a lot of fun, and I still haven't decided if I want to go the route of traditional publishing or if I just want to self-publish. I keep leaning more and more towards self-publishing just because I've never published anything before, and I feel it's a lot harder to find an agent if you haven't published before. So I'm definitely leaning more towards self-publishing, and I'm looking into kind of what goes along with that. I kind of like the idea of just being able to design my own cover and create my own titles and kind of lay out the book how I want to do. I have experience in graphic design, so it's not a big deal. I can definitely make a book cover. So yeah, it's fun, and I don't know. I kind of like the creative freedom of self-publishing more, so I might have to try that, but it's going to definitely involve a lot more on my part as far as marketing and stuff, to even get the book known. But yeah, I also have been throwing around some different titles. I had a title, but there are like a ton of YA books with the title already, so like I decided to switch the title to something a little bit more unique, and I actually have titles for each of the 3 books because I definitely want this to be a trilogy. I've started to flesh out and outline the second book, and I kind of want to start writing it, but I don't want to start writing it until I finish the first book because I feel like some things are still going to change, and I don't want to start a second book and then have to change everything if I like put in different plot devices and stuff. But yeah, I just basically need to flesh out this ending and then get on to the next round of revisions, and then I probably will start looking for some beta readers at some point. But yeah, that's pretty much where I am on my writing journey so far. I just figured I would update you guys because writing is something I like to do, and you know, it goes hand in hand with reading, so I figured I would just let you guys know what I'm working on. And as I get closer into this process, I'll take you guys along in some like publishing type things. If you guys want to know about anything like self-publishing wise, I will try to help you. Maybe I'll do some cover designs on camera or like little book layouts or whatever in InDesign. But yeah, that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!